Sunshine Stories for Kids.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have an interesting story with a meaningful moral. So are you ready? Let's get started. The Milkmaid and Her Pail. A milkmaid, after milking her cows, was returning from the field. She was balancing the shiny milk pail on her head. As she walked along, she was busy calculating what she would do with the money she would get for selling the milk. She thought, this milk would surely produce a lot of butter. With the money I'll get from selling the butter, I'll buy a lot of eggs. They'll hatch into chickens, and I'll sell them to buy a beautiful dress and a chip hat. She continued to dream. I would look so pretty in that dress. Everyone would look at me, but I shall just look at them and toss my head like this. As she tossed her head in pride, down fell the pail of milk on the ground. All the milk, along with all her plans and pride, flowed into nothingness. Hence the moral of the story is that do not count your chickens before they are hatched. Waiting for results before celebrating teaches us patience and caution. Don't assume success until it's certain. Just work hard and wait for the best result through a proper channel of processing.
So friends, if you like this video, must share this video with your friends and family members and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.